In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can find your TikTok account on Google. So let's just get straight into it. You might not always want to use the TikTok app in order to view your profile or other people's profiles. So being able to find a profile within the search function of Google is a great thing. So to do this, you will need to know the username of the TikTok account that you want to search up in Google. So in my case, it's @DigitalUnraveled. So to find this in Google, just go out of the TikTok app and open up a web browser. I'm using Google Chrome and I'm on the Google homepage. From here, all you need to do is tap at the top in the search bar, and then you want to type tiktok.com. Then you want to put a /, and now this is very important. You need to put the @ symbol. If you don't put this @ symbol, it isn't going to work. And then you want to put the username. So I'll put DigitalUnraveled. So it's tiktok.com /@DigitalUnraveled. And then I'll tap on search. And it'll give you a pop-up to say if that account is on TikTok, which obviously it is. So I'll tap on not now. And now I can freely browse this profile within the Google Chrome web browser. I can do it with another account to show you that it works with other accounts. So I'll type tiktok.com /@ and then let me put Gary V. Then I'll hit search. And then once again, that will load up the user profile for the account that I just searched. And then you can go ahead and watch the videos if you want. So I'll just tap on a video real quick. You can see that the video plays with no problem, and you can browse any of the videos within the profile. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.